Hello everyone, welcome to First Insight. With me today I have the Executive Director Retail South, Mr. Gbenga Shobo, talking to us about SMEs and our value proposition. Thank you so much for your time, sir.
Yep.
So let's hear about SMEs, First Bank and SMEs. What plans do we have, and what are we doing about SMEs right now?
SMEs are a very important segment in the bank. There are three segments in the bank. There's the affluent, there's the mass, and the SMEs. The SMEs are very key to us. A lot of staff and Nigerians believe other banks are stronger than the SMEs at First Bank. But in a survey which we did recently, where we didn't actually do the survey was conducted by EDC working with the Lagos Business School. We surveyed SMEs to find out which banks they worked with. And what we found out was that nearly more than double actually chose First Bank as their banker. And we also found out that we lend more money to SMEs than any other bank in Nigeria. So that's important. And because of that, so that people will know how strong, relatively strong we are in SMEs, we're doing a conference in November where we will be inviting SMEs and we'll be showcasing our products, we'll be discussing. Also, we'll be asking them for their needs, what can be done to increase the relationship with SMEs and banks, and especially First Bank. That will be in November. We provide for SMEs, which is quite useful for them because it's always difficult for them, a lot of them, to have security. We give them facilities clean. And that includes LPO finance, contract finance, invoice discount finance facilities. We also give them term loans. We also give them secured overdraft facilities. And we also, like affluents, have dedicated relationship managers for the SMEs.
Okay, sorry to cut in, sir, but what do you mean by we give them facilities clean?
Facilities clean, that means there's no collateral. That means it's basically cash flow lending. So basically, you have a contract from, let's say, Shell, and you bring it to us. If it's viable, we'll give you a loan to execute the contract, and you don't have to give us property or anything like that, as long as we are sure you can actually execute the contract. Another area where we're working with the SMEs for, which is going to be important going forward, is the electronic banking and for collections. So we're hoping that with our SMEs, we can give them online payment platforms, and so that people can pay using cards, just like if you go on Jumia, Konga, things like that. So that we will keep them free, but for the transactions which happen on those platforms, we will share, they'll pay fee. So those are the kind of things we're looking at.
Do we have a specific account for SMEs?
No. You would open a normal current account. Most of them would open a current account. If they are borrowing customers, they would have open a loan account. It could be an overdraft account. It could be any other type of account. So I wouldn't say a special account. It's basically normal.
Okay. So what we are offering them is the dedicated relationship.
Yes. If you have a dedicated relationship officer, if you need a loan, you know somebody to talk to. If you're an SME and it's 5 million and above SME, you would have somebody you can talk to and say, look, I have this issue. Also, things like advice, business advice, that's important. You have somebody to say, look, I have an LPO from Nestle. How do I execute it? That helps. It puts you in a much easier way to.
Thank you very much for your time, sir. This has been really enlightening.
Thank you.
I hope you were listening attentively. You heard from Mr. Shobo. Go out there and get your customers to open accounts with us and take advantage of our wide array of opportunities as SMEs. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye for now.